mean to kill her, but don't push me. Revenge is like the sweetest joy next to getting pussy. Picture paragraph.
Jumbo jet. It wasn't easy, but nothing is. No. Oh, when I feel heavy metal and I'm pins and I'm needles, well I lie and I'm easy all of the time, but I'm never sure why I need you. Please admit you. It's not my problem. No, it's not my problem. When I feel heavy metal, and I'm pins and I'm needles, well I lie and I'm easy all of the time, but I'm never sure why I need you. Please admit you.
So alone, this sorrow takes a hold. Don't leave me so cold. Your touch used to be so kind. Your touch used to give me life. I've waited all this time. I've wasted so much time. Don't leave me alone, 'cause I barely see it all. Don't leave me alone. I'm falling in the black, slipping through the cracks, falling to the depths. Can I ever go back?
Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what